So when designing for mid-rise or buildings or high-rise building, one of the major things that your structural engineer has to consider first of all is to lessen the load application on the building, that is making it lighter, and also other or factors according to the design code or design standard. This is a six-story building or mid-rise apartment comprising of shops and a hotel. So what we did was at the fourth floor, we had to introduce a rib slab system so as to lessen the load application on the structure, and we also did a live load reduction in which at every floor there is a percentage of it lessened. And of course, you know that your rib slab is much more lighter than the conventional solid slab, because of course you know that it has to do with the entire section of the slab is not filled, so you know there are